Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's chat. Life has been so full lately in the best way possible. We're just soaking up the sun. Lucia is about to be turning 4 in September. So she goes to pre-K in the morning for a little over 2.5 hours. And then she gets dropped off by the school bus, and then Jose brings her to daycare, and then I pick her up. So it's just been crazy. We had her ballet recital. That was really fun in May. She loves dancing. She's just totally into that. So we had that at the beginning of June. On top of that all, I have a stepdaughter, Jules. She's 18, and guess what? She's about to be going, she's going to be a freshman at Montclair University. So she's starting in the fall, and she actually started in the month of July. She already started taking 2 summer courses. One, sociology, she's told me she got a 94. So that is just so amazing, and we're so proud of her. I think she's still waiting for her speech grade back. But yeah, so we don't waste any time around here. We keep both of them busy, and it's just so much fun. So in between all of that, I'm in full planning mode for our upcoming Disney September trip. So our fall September trip is super special. We've been taking Lucia for her birthday every year since she turned 1. So we're celebrating her birthday. Jose is not going, so this is another mommy and me trip, but that's okay. We have a blast just having a little girls trip. We're staying at Caribbean Beach, and we're doing a Valley Resort. We're gonna do that. We're gonna stay at All Star Movies, which I have stayed there about 2 times before, although it's been a couple years since we stayed there. So we're gonna check that out and do a split stay with Caribbean Beach for her birthday. I just love that pool, so that's why we're gonna go back and give it another chance, because we only stayed there, I think, for 1 night last time. So we're gonna try it. Not so crazy about the not having the elevator part, but I think we can get around it by requesting a ground floor, so we're gonna check that out. Because I have so much going on, I kind of dropped the ball and did not book bippity boppity in time. And my daughter is going to kill me. So she doesn't know yet. So of course I keep stalking the website. I signed up and I paid the $9 for mouse dining. So hopefully they could text me, because I actually tried to sign up for them for the mouse dining last week, but it kept giving me an error, and I tried both on my phone and on their website. I think they were having problems. So I signed up for the email alerts, but of course the email, anytime you sign up for those pesky emails, it's just not enough time. People snag them immediately. So word to the wise, if you're looking for some coveted dining, or you are looking for a bippity boppity, make sure that you just pay the $9 and save yourself some headaches. So in the meantime, we have about 2 months left until we go. So I'm hoping someone's gonna drop the trip. I even put it for the day that we're supposed to be going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. That's how desperate I am to bring her to Bippity Boppity, because I think she's really going to be let down if we don't get to go, because I promised her in June that she would get to go do all the things and pick whatever dress she wanted. She wants the full experience. So the Food and Wine Festival going on, so that we're only going to be there 4 days, 3 nights. So, and plus one of them was already getting eaten by the Mickey's Not So Scary. So, I don't know if that's going to leave much time to do like a typical restaurant. I haven't been to Topolino's in like 2 years, and I'm dying to go back there. I just don't think it's going to happen on this trip. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But, yeah. So, a little bit of a channel update. I don't know if you've been following all of our vlogs, but I have been working my butt off. I have been working so hard to really try to do better at editing, and I know that I'm not 100% there yet, but I am really trying, because I know I would love to grow, and I really appreciate everybody that's stuck around and still watches our channel and my family grow, and it's just so amazing. So I am thankful for that. So that being said, if you haven't checked out the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party video, please go check that out. I spent so much time editing that. I learned how to do Substack, so I'm hoping I can get a little mailing list and get that down. So yeah, I'm working really hard to grow this little channel of mine. So much that I actually have vlog ideas from here until the end of the year. After our September trip, I'm gonna take a break. I decided to cancel our November trip, and I'm so sad about that, because I was really hoping this year was going to be the year I was finally going to be able to go to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and the Jollywood Nights, but I just don't think financially it's going to happen. So I just had to pull the plug. We already had the tickets for Halloween booked. Otherwise, I might have moved some things around, but I don't know. There's always next year, right? And I'm just being fully honest that it's hard. Like you're probably one of those people that think like, how can creators afford to do this all the time? Well, sometimes we can't. So I decided to cancel that trip and I moved the funds to help pay for our September trip. And I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully, because the last couple of years I didn't plan on doing a January or February trip, and I didn't plan on doing my birthday trip. And then even the March trip was like a last minute. So if I find funds, I make it happen. So like I said, all my vlog content ideas are up, or I have them scheduled up until the end of the year. So I'll be trying to post videos, God willing, every Sunday and Wednesday. That seems to be the schedule that's working for now. That's when most of you watch. Actually be really helpful for me if you do like follow my videos all the time. You could let me know when is a good time that I should be posting. Are most of you like stay-at-home moms or dads that watch during the day? Do you just watch whenever you can? Do you watch on the weekends or do you watch in the evenings? I tried to do a weekend because I feel like Saturday and Sundays definitely work better, and then I wanted another vlog day during the week. So I'm just curious because lately I've been trying to put them more in the later side, around 5. I don't know if that's too late, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you're watching right now, when do you typically watch vlogs? And for those that are already dreaming about the holidays, don't worry, I have you covered. I have some exciting things planned. I'll probably start airing them around the end of October, beginning of the November. That is the plan as of now. So I'm planning to do, I always do like every year, shop with me. I usually go to Walmart, Target, Home Goods, Marshalls, Hobby Lobby. I actually tried to do a Hobby Lobby Christmas in July, but they didn't have our stuff set up or whatever, so I think that ship has sailed and we'll just move on to fall in a little bit. But yeah, I'm planning to do the shop with me's, possibly a gift idea for Christmas gift idea, because I'm finally approved for Amazon storefront. Yay! So that's gonna make life so much easier, and everything's gonna be curated nicely in case you're interested to see what kind of things. And I think it's also gonna really help to coincide with my Disney trips in the pack with me's, and you could see everything. And that way, if you have a trip coming up and if you're like me and then you just want people to tell me what are the things I need, like that was totally me when we went on our first cruise in February. So I just said, okay, let me look at people's list and tell me what I need. Usually that's what Amazon does anyway, right? So I also probably try to do a little bit of decorating with me. I feel like our decorate the Christmas tree did well. I don't know about the clean with me, and our Christmas lights don't usually go over well, but maybe I could find a way to spruce it up and make it fun this year. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me know if you want to see any particular vlog on the holidays. I know it's something totally not Disney, but we could try to make it fun around here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Go ahead and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time that I release a future video. Thanks so much for being here and supporting my little channel. It means the world to me, and believe me, every little like, watch, comment, share, everything, it really does help to support our little growing channel. So excited for everything coming up, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. See you in the next vlog or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!